If every morning you wash your face with cold water and scrub it dry with a towel, you might unknowingly be damaging your skin more than you think. And no, there's no cream that can fix this. Because here's the truth. The secret to healthy skin isn't found in an expensive jar. It's in how you treat yourself every single day. This is the story of a 75-year-old dermatologist who completely transformed her face and her life. Not with medical procedures, but with new habits. My name is Dr. Esperanza. I've been a dermatologist for over 45 years, practicing in the heart of Oaxaca City. For decades, people have trusted me with their skin, asking about the best creams, the latest treatments, the newest injections. But let me tell you a secret. None of those things have the power that your own hands do, and the way you touch your skin every day. In my 50s, I started to notice changes in my own face. The skin under my eyes began to hollow. The corners of my mouth started to sag. And no matter which treatments I recommended to my patients or used myself, nothing seemed to work. I had lost connection with myself. I was taking care of everyone else, while completely neglecting myself. Every morning, I washed my face with cold water, scrubbed it hard, and dried it with a rough towel to save time. I was damaging my own skin without realizing it. Many people do the same. One day, a patient looked at me and quietly said, "Doctor, I don't want a treatment. I want to look natural, like you." Those words hit me. For the first time, I looked in the mirror, not as a doctor, but as a person. And I realized something. What I lacked wasn't another cream or a better procedure. I lacked care. Real, gentle, daily care. From that day on, I stopped treating myself like a project that needed to be fixed. I stopped being a checklist. I stopped looking at my body as something to improve. For the first time in years, I began to see myself as a woman who deserved compassion, not just results. I didn't start any new treatments. I didn't buy any new products. I simply changed how I treated myself each day. I began to wash my face gently with lukewarm water, not cold anymore, not rushed. I dried it slowly, softly, no rubbing. I began to feel my own hand on my skin, not as a tool, but as a quiet embrace. The cream I once applied mechanically, I now applied with intention, with patience, with presence. I didn't add more time to my routine. I didn't need more hours. I needed more kindness, more attention, more softness in those few minutes I gave to myself. And my skin felt the difference almost immediately. Within weeks, I woke up with a face that wasn't swollen anymore. My skin wasn't as sensitive, red, or dry. After 3 months, I looked in the mirror and thought, something really is changing. After 6 months, my face looked different. Not because of some miracle product, but because for the first time, I was giving myself the same love I gave to others. It was a quiet, slow transformation, but deep enough that I couldn't deny it. And it wasn't just my face that was changing. Something else happened. I started to sleep better. I began to eat healthier, not because I forced myself, but because it felt natural. I felt calmer, more grounded, more centered inside. Because when you begin to care for yourself with true tenderness, it doesn't stop at your skin. It spreads into everything, your thoughts, your body, your soul. And that patient who once said, "Doctor, I want to look like you." Now I understand what she really saw in me. Not my face, but the calm that comes from finally giving yourself what you've always needed. Real care. The 5 small habits that transform your face. 1, change how you wash your face. This is where most of us go wrong without even realizing it. We think face washing is a quick routine. Cold water, soap, scrub, done. But this is actually where the skin gets damaged the most. Use lukewarm water, around 29 to 31 degrees Celsius. Cold water tightens pores too quickly and blocks toxin release. Hot water strips away natural oils and dries the skin. And don't scrub your face like it's a dish. Think of touching a newborn or a rose petal. Use your ring finger around sensitive areas like under the eyes. It applies the least pressure. Your skin remembers every touch. Touch it with love, and it will glow back. 2. Use the golden minute. There's a magical moment, and most people miss it. Just 1 to 2 minutes after washing, your skin is open, receptive, thirsty for hydration. This is when your products work best. But many people wash their face, then go make coffee, read the news, talk on the phone. By the time they return to moisturize, it's too late. Within 3 minutes, the skin loses over 30% of its moisture. After 10 minutes, the effect of your cream is cut in half. So what should you do? Lightly pat your face with a soft tissue, not a towel. Leave it slightly damp. That helps absorption. Apply toner or mist with hyaluronic acid. Then apply your day or night cream. Do all of this within 2 minutes. This small habit can be the difference between radiant skin and skin that feels dry all day. 3. Don't forget your neck. It's the bridge between body and face. There's one area we always neglect, the neck. But the neck isn't just a physical passage. It's the pathway of lymph, of blood flow, the lifeline of your skin. When the neck is tense, when its muscles are stiff, the face starts to look swollen, tired, heavy. What can you do? Take a small amount of cream or light oil. Place your hands behind your neck and gently slide 10 times from the base of the skull to the collarbones. Use light pressure, not hard. After the massage, apply a warm towel for 2 minutes, then a cool one for 1 minute. This change in temperature stimulates circulation and reduces puffiness. Just 5 minutes each evening can change how your face feels when you wake up. 4. Use natural masks. Simple and safe. In my years as a dermatologist, I've seen hundreds of fancy creams that promise miracles. But often, the best ones are already in your fridge. Here are 3 natural masks that are cheap, gentle, and deeply effective. Egg yolk plus honey, rich in vitamins A, D, and E, deeply moisturizing. Apply on Mondays and Thursdays. Egg white, tightens skin, shrinks pores, natural lifting effect. Apply on Tuesdays and Fridays. Flaxseed oil, full of omega-3 and anti-inflammatory, helps regeneration. Apply on Wednesdays and Saturdays. Sunday, let your skin rest. Don't overwhelm it. It needs rest, just like you. Each mask takes just 10 minutes a day. After 1 month, you'll feel the difference. Not just in the mirror, but in how others see you too. 5. Do facial exercises, because your face has muscles too. Ever notice how your face looks tired? Sagging jaw, downturned lips, heavy eyes? It's not just age. It's tension. It's unused muscles. It's stress. Your face has 42 muscles. If you don't move them, they shrink, tense, and wrinkle. Here's what you can do daily. Move your tongue in a circle inside your mouth along the gums. 10 times. Say the vowels A, I, O, U, E with exaggerated expression. Set an alarm every 2 to 3 hours to remind yourself to unclench your jaw. Look in the mirror and do 5-second expressions. Laugh, frown, look surprised. This wakes your face up again. The full transformation. By taking care of my skin, I started to take care of myself. My sleep improved. My eating habits became healthier. Even my blood sugar levels returned to normal. Because the skin isn't just a surface. It's the mirror of the life we're living. We don't need more products. We need more love. For ourselves. Don't think it's too late. I started in my 70s, and I changed my face with my own hands. If this story touched you, if it reminded you of yourself or someone you love, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you want to learn more simple but powerful ways to care for yourself with compassion, subscribe. This is only the beginning.